Okay, the 40-ton press is an amazing press. You got a 29-inch depth. You got 63 inches wide. You have a pull-out table in between cuts. It's a very strong, competent press. When you get it, the first thing you're going to need to do is put your hydraulic fluid in there, pull the panel off already. But 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, you need about 30, 35 gallons of hydraulic fluid to run this press. And so you turn it on right here. First thing you do for setting up is take your material, whatever you're going to be cutting, and then you have two dials over here. The riser timer determines how high after each cut the upper cutting table will come up. So the cutting timer determines the depth. And when you're setting up, you want to put this all the way down, just almost all the way down. I turn it to setting, and when I turn it to setting, the upper table will come and just rest on top of your die. It's just sitting there. Okay? I'll show you again. So I've got my die and my material, okay, right there. Set it to setting. You only have to do this when you're first setting up for the first time. Make sure that's loose. Tighten that now. Go back to cutting, and you can do a test cut. It's generally not going to cut on your test cut. It's just barely kissing it. Okay? So then start going up incrementally. You know, no more than a tenth each time. You go up more than a tenth, what you're going to do is drive the blades to your die all the way inside your board, and you're going to be picking it out with a screwdriver and some channel locks. So I've gone up a tenth. We'll test it. I can tell just from hearing that it didn't cut the board yet. So come up a little bit more. Still no. Okay, just about there. Okay, so now you can kind of see. There we go. After that, you're all set. You don't have to. There you go. So then you can leave this alone. You don't have to worry about it until you change your die or change your material. And then you'll have to go through that process again. Emergency stop, anything going wrong there. Be aware of what's on your side table. Can't be any higher than what your die is. You really shouldn't have anything on your side table. But other than that, it's just a very basic, simple workhorse. You'll get years and years of solid work out of this thing. The cutting board has a groove in it so that you can grab it and pull it out. You can see right here, these go up and down. Okay. So you have it just a little bit higher than your flat surface so that it glides. And that's basically it. It's a great machine.